So this bird, this always comes, and she chooses this wire. Okay, must be some cable wire or some internet wire. I'm not sure of what wire is this. And she sits there for a while, and she observes the whole space around her, and in silence. Okay, she never makes any sound. She never makes any cuckoo, any sound. She always observes in silence, and she takes a good rest for a while. Then she fly away. So this is so peculiar of this bird, and I don't know what type of bird this is, but she's really beautiful. I've always noticed from ground floor, but this is first time I'm seeing her from my terrace. So just ignore the land. It's it's filled with waste. Yeah, now she flies away. I'm unable to find her where she flew. A typical evening, a bright evening.